Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best drive walker parts is probably one of the most important mobility aids for those needing assistance. In this video, we'll dive deep into the essential components of a drive walker, from the frame and wheels to the hand grips and brakes. We'll explore what makes each part crucial for safety, stability, and overall user experience, ensuring you can make informed decisions when it comes to maintenance, repair, or upgrades. Number 5. Drive Medical 10257BL, 1 Rollator Walker. This rolling walker is both durable and stylish. It features a strong and supportive frame, a comfortable seat, and an under-seat storage pouch. It's a great walker for those seeking stability. The wheeled walker features 4 7.5-inch caster wheels for a stable roll, making it great for outdoor use. The handbrake can be pressed when needed or pushed down to lock the wheels. You can seamlessly adjust the handle height from 31 to 35 inches using an easy turn lever. This walker also includes a removable hinged backrest that can be folded up or down for your convenience. The simple folding design makes this rollator portable for easy travel and storage. This foldable rollator walker is travel-friendly, supporting your active lifestyle wherever you go. Your drive walker is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. You can buy with confidence knowing that it is built to last and supported by the manufacturer. What we like. This rollator offers a stable and supportive frame, ensuring safety and confidence with every step. It features smooth navigation both indoors and outdoors, making it perfect for various environments. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile walker that provides both stability and comfort, you should consider this one. What people say. It's easy to assemble, easy to fold up and light enough to lift into a vehicle while being sturdy. The wheels roll easily. The unit will be used inside 99% of the time and it works well on all surfaces, moving easily from hardwood to carpeting. Number 4. Drive Medical 10257 Rollator Replacement Brake. This is a replacement hand brake with cable for Drive Medical 10257 series rollators. It's designed to ensure the safety and functionality of your mobility device. This set includes the brake and cable, providing a complete solution. The specific part number for this replacement brake is 9502F102570111. This ensures you're getting the correct component for your rollator. Make sure this matches your existing part for a perfect fit. This product is part of a range of mobility solutions. It's designed to enhance the usability and safety of your rollator. This brake is essential for controlling the device. The package includes the brake and the necessary cable. This is a complete set for easy installation. It's a convenient way to restore the braking function of the rollator. This Drive Medical replacement brake is proudly made in the United States. You can trust in the quality and craftsmanship of this product. It's built to meet high standards. What we like. This replacement brake and cable set is specifically designed for Drive Medical 10257 series rollators. It ensures your walker's braking system functions correctly, enhancing safety. If you need to replace the brake and cable on your Drive Medical 10257 rollator, it's the perfect choice. What people say. Good quality, easy to install and just like the original. Direct replacement for original hand brake. Works like the original, and was not too difficult to replace. Brakes do seem to work well once installed, so I'm pleased with this aspect. The fit and the adjustments on this cable system are actually superior to the braking cables that were originally installed at the factory. One can make adjustments in 3 different places on each of the cables. Number 3. Rollator Replacement Wheel 6. Is your rollator wheels worn out? This replacement wheel will get you rolling smoothly again. It's designed for easy installation and a comfortable ride. Built to last, this wheel is made from high-quality materials. It can withstand daily use and various terrains, ensuring long-lasting performance. Replacing the wheel is a breeze. You can quickly swap out the old one and get back to your activities. No special tools are required. With this new wheel, you'll experience improved stability and control. It provides a secure and safe experience, allowing you to move with confidence. This 6-inch wheel is the perfect fit for your rollator. It offers a balance of maneuverability and stability, making it ideal for everyday use. What we like. This replacement wheel is designed for easy installation and smooth rolling. It is a perfect solution to keep your rollator moving smoothly. If you need a quick and easy way to replace a worn-out wheel, this is the ideal option. What people say. The wheel came with a nut and bolt kit that was compatible with my walker and was very easy to replace my damaged wheel. It matched up perfectly with the other 3 good original wheels on my walker. Perfect fit and came a day earlier. This Rollator wheel is the exact replacement part for the broken one. Easy to install. Number 2. Drive 10257 Rollator replacement wheel. Is your Rollator wheel worn out? This replacement wheel is designed specifically for the Drive 10257 Rollator model. It's a perfect fit to get you rolling again. This wheel is the standard 7.5-inch size and comes in black. It's made of durable materials to provide a smooth and safe ride. Replacing the wheel is straightforward. You can easily install it yourself with basic tools. This wheel is compatible with Drive Medical 10257 Rollator. Ensure the model number matches for a perfect fit. Don't let a faulty wheel slow you down. This replacement will have you moving comfortably and confidently. Get yours today. What we like. This replacement wheel is designed for Drive 10257 Rollators, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. The 7.5 size provides excellent stability and maneuverability. If you want to maintain the best performance of your Rollator, it is a great choice. What people say. Fit perfectly and works great. Easy to put on. Saved us from having to buy a new Rollator. Exact match and the Rollator is back in action. Number 1. Rollator HL420 Accessories. This Rollator accessory features a durable matte black coating. The finish is designed to resist wear and tear, while also providing a good grip. The bolts and washers included are made of zinc-plated steel. This material is chosen for its ability to withstand moisture and various weather conditions, ensuring longevity. These accessories are designed to prevent slipping, which enhances the stability and safety of the walker. This feature is crucial for user confidence. The walker accessories are designed for simple assembly. You can attach them in just a few minutes, making it convenient for anyone to use. The package comes with 2 plastic knobs and 2 bolts with washers. They are easy to assemble by hand, providing a hassle-free experience. What we like. This Rollator accessory features a durable matte black finish and zinc-plated steel components for long-lasting use. It is designed for easy assembly, allowing you to quickly enhance your walker. If you like a sturdy and easy-to-install accessory, you should consider this one. What people say. Works fits perfectly with my existing walker. The knob's a bit bigger and that makes it easier to tighten. Perfect fit. Work as expected. Recommend. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.